start walking from here. Look at the view. See the view? So this is the landscape. So maglakad kami ni Daddy Cole up to the top, the other side. Yan. Wow. So may stick kami guys, oh. Yan. Meron kaming stick, oh. May stick kami na baon. So yan. So you can see the view. There's a sea. So we parked down there beside the road. Look. You can see the landscape. And that's the up the hill. There's a mountain. It's quite nice. So yan. Diba guys? Ang ganda. So siguro maglakad kami dito ng at least 1.5 hours. Pupunta kami sa Secret Village. Mayroon daw dito na Secret Village, but that's long time ago, like 100 years ago. So parang wala na siya. Yun, ang ganda ng landscape guys. So tinatawag nilang Secret Village, pero wala na talagang mga bahay. Yung mga na lang, yung mga natira-tira na lang na. Ang ganda, oh. Diba ang ganda ng landscape. So ito yung dito yung Coast Road. What's that called? So sama kayo guys. Tayo mag-hiking. Ang ganda ng landscape. That's the natural. This is a natural. Yan o, yung mountain na yan o, yung sticking out na maliit o. Diyan the last time umakyat kami dyan guys. Doon sa tuktok niyan. Sa pinakadulo. Yan, umakyat kami dyan. Yan, pataas ito, pataas. Talagang pag yung mahirap talaga guys pag yung wala kayong walking stick kasi paakyat siya. Yan, si Daddy ko dyan may walking stick. Ang taas ng mountain. Yan, may walking stick. May walking stick siya, meron din ako. Nandito na tayo sa medyo mataas-taas na. Konti pa lang. Ganda ng landscape guys, diba? hidden village, hidden or secret, something like that. So yeah, so ito yun sila guys. Not many houses here before, just only a few, but isn't it that? That's 100 years more than that, 200 years ago. So this is called it the hidden village. So you can see they're quite tiny, like this. Look there. Yeah. So, you see anybody there? What? There's a bedroom? There's a toilet? No? Yeah. So ito guys, yung more than 200 years old ago. So ito yung the hidden village. Iba medyo okay-okay pa siya. So ito parang ginawa na rin ng mga farmers na ano. Nilay dito. Tingnan yung view. Pasok tayo dito. Oh, ayan. So, ito guys, nakapasok na kami sa gate. So, ito din oh, mga skeleton lang siya. Natira sa ano, sa village, sa little house nila. Ayan. Skeleton lang siya. Ayan. Parang ginagamit na ito ng farmers. Ah, look at this one, Dad. The last time still good, the roof. You see the wonder, guys? You can see the view. See the view? It's quite nice. That's the view. Yeah. So, tingnan niyo guys. Skeleton na lang siya. Yan. Over 200 years old. Diba? Mga maliliit pa yung mga tao mo. Look at that, Dad. Look at the roof. See, the last time still quite good. Look at this. So, ito pa siya guys. Yung mga ano, yung skeleton. Yan. Village. Isa itong cottage. Itong cottage guys, oh. Ang ganda nyo the last time nandito kami. Kasi siguro, I think it's happened when the storm is, Dad. When the storm. Okay. You see this one? Oh my gosh. This is quite very good the last time actually. But what happened now? See the roof? Ay, you know. Maliliit pa yung mga tao noon. 200 years ago. Tingnan natin sa loob. Ano siya? Last time close ito eh. You remember the last time this door is locked? I'm not allowed to go in. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan, here we go. Hidden village. Yeah. It's pretty, isn't it? Yeah, it's so pretty. This little cottage, guys. It's so pretty. Yeah, pero yung storm. I think the storm destroyed the roof. It's like a hutch. Attached, what's it called? What? Thatch cottage. Yeah. Thatch cottage. Tingnan niyo guys. So beautiful ito the last time. Yeah. Tingnan niyo yung map. So dyan kami aakyat guys, oh. Yan, oh, yung parang sticking out siya. Umakyat kami dyan the last time. Umakyat kami dyan. Grabe, sobrang taas din. Pag tingnan mo lang siya, parang okay lang siya na aakyat doon, lalakarin. Pero actually, yung daan zigzag. I don't know if it still can manage because still a lot of rocks falling from the top. Yan. Yan o, tingnan nyo guys. So, nandiyan kami na aakyat o. The last time umakyat kami dyan o. Yan. Umakyat kami. Kasi yun yung daan, zigzag siya. Mas masakit na yung tuhod ko. At so ito may water tank para sa animals. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view. You can see the roof now on the cottage. Look. Destroyed, isn't it? May kit na naman para sa mga animals. Yan. Tingnan yung dadaanan. Tingnan yung dadaanan namin guys. Oh. Grabe. Nakakahingal na talaga siya kasi very steep. Kanina naglakad kami doon sa tabi ng dagat eh. Tingnan nyo. Ito yung lalakarin. Samahan niyo ko guys. Alright, Dad. Sorry guys, hinihingal na talaga ako. Keep going until makaakyat sa taas. Yan, ito pataas oh. Pataas na siya. Yan, tingnan niyo oh. Yan. Very steep siya. Yan. Di bali may ano naman ako, may walking stick. So nakaka-help talaga siya. Yan. Pero yung isang kamay ko lang mahawak ng stick ko guys. So, yan. Kasi nag-video ako. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Pasigsag yung yung daan. O yan, ang view. Tingnan nyo guys. May bahay din doon. You alright, Dad? Manage? think you can get there to the top? Okay, so, take it easy. Diba ang ganda? Yun na yung ano, yung view ng Hayden Village. Yan. Maliit na siya. Nakatago. Nobody discovered them that time na may ano, nandyan sila sa ano silang village. Ano, ang ganda. Pero ito. Yan. Oh. Yan, sigsag oh. Tapos dito na naman kami. Yan na yan. Hindi ko masyado makita. Kasi nandito kami sa corner. Hingal. Hingal pag may time. So, dyan magdala. Pagkat doon. Yan ang view. It's Scotland. You can see the Scotland. You see there? See the guys, I don't know if you can see. I tried to zoom it. I'm going to zoom. You see that the inland? That one there. See the inland? Yeah, that's a Scotland. Yeah. So it's not really far away, the Scotland here, isn't it? Yeah. 20 miles? 20 something. Look, it's a lot of racing. Look at the racing. See the Baba Black Sheep. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Seems like there is a tractor here, Dad. Goodbye. How can they drive this? It's very steep and twisty. Yeah. Oh! Sobrang steep siya. Dad. Hello guys. Need help. Need helicopter. Yeah, three front. Yeah, you guys. So dyan kami nila Bicol aakyat. Yeah, we go up there. So we're getting closer now. You see this one here, guys? That's what you can see earlier down there. So dito na kami sa taas. Getting closer na kami. So ito na. Tingnan nyo na. Bayan sa baba kami kanina. Ganun sa kalayo. Siya. Oh my god. Grabe hingal guys. Grabe talagang hingal. Oh, yan na siya oh. Yung nakikita kanina sa baba, ito na siya. Look. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. tingnan nyo. Yan. Tingnan nyo ang view guys. Oh. Diba? It's very amazing. I wonder. Tingnan nyo. Hey you guys, how gorgeous the view. This is a natural beauty. This is a natural. So guys, so dyan ako umakyat. Ganda. Very pretty siya, no? Yan. So, ano pa kami? Mag-walk more farther pa kami, guys. Doon sa kabila. Tingnan nyo yung rocks. Oh, slippery. Oh, yan na, guys. Yan, dito na lang. Yung pinti kanina. Ito na yung sa gilid. Yan. Oh. Di ba? Ang ganda. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's cold now. Yan, oh, guys. Yan siya. We're going to find what you call it, Dad? Lake? May lake daw dito sa taas. May lake daw dito sa taas ng mountain. So, we're going to try to find it. See? Rock formation, isn't it? Is it the way? I think there's some rocks there that are chipping. That's why they are all fall down here. See there? Yeah. Wow. Diba guys? Ang ganda ng view. So, it's a little bit slippery there. It's a little bit muddy. time that we are here, there's a couples, the people. I think maybe that's why they're coming from the lake. Yan guys, umakyat guys. Yan o. Akyatin mo taas. My goodness. Ha? No? Yung maliit na ano. Natira na snow. Sabi ka dito. So, nandito na kami talaga sa top guys. It's very cold. Tingnan mo. Di ba pag doon sa baba, akala mo parang maliit na siya, na puwente. Pero dito sa gilid, oh. Ayan. Look at that one, Dad. You see that one there? It look like a bear. You see that one? Hey guys, ito guys, oh. Yan ako guys, isum ko. Yeah. You see there? The one in the middle? You see the one guys? You can see there. Look. Yeah. It look like a bear. Look, baby bear. Hinihingal na ako. Yan. O, diba? My eyes, my mouth, my nose. O, diba? Grabe yung rock formation. Ayan, o. O, diba? Yan. Balik tayo. Isum. Oof. Yan, dulas tayo. O, diba? Paakyat kami. O, tingnan nyo. Paakyat. Yan. Yan. Nangangalay na yung kamay ko sa ano. Sa kakahawak ng camera. Malamig din. My hands freezing. Ayan. Bakit tingnan mo. Oh, there's another one there. It's quite good. Look. You see there? I think that's the one that I climbed up the last time. So, you guys. It looks like a bear, Dad, isn't it? Oh, yan o. Tingnan nyo guys. Nandiyan o. Yan. Yan na yung view. Diba? Saan pa kayo? Yan ang view. So, ito continue guys. Lakad pa tayo. Ito sa pinakatuktok na ito guys ha. Ng ano. Ng mountain. Pero may good bike pa dito. Dumadaan. I think owned by farmers. Something like that. Yan. Grabe. Yan. It's windy na. Ganda ang view. Diyan ako kami. Kailan yun? Umakyat na dito. Diyan ako nakatayo. Diyan o. Diyan. Sa top na yan. 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 Tinitingnan ni Daddy ko yung message. Baka mayroong nag-send sa kanya na ano. Secret admirer niya. Yan. Yan. Chine-check niya yung message. Diba? Ang ganda. Ganda lang. Pero hard work talaga guys. Grabe talaga yung lakad. Pag may diferensya kayo sa knee, yung tuhod nyo or ano, hindi kayo pwede dito guys. Maglakad na ganito. Tingnan nyo yung landscape ko. Diba? Yan, halika. Yan si Daddy Cole kapag alam mo ko minsan na ano yung balance niya. Naglulos balance siya. Yan. O, diba? Ang ganda na o. Yan. See? Yan. Tingnan nyo guys. Imagine. Anong nagre-remind sa inyo ng ganyan? Parang ano siya no? Parang maple. O Parang bracelet. Ito, akyat ako dito. Guys, so the last time dito ako umakyat. Daddy call! Uy! Ayan siya. Ito guys, oh. Yan! Ito ang sinasabi ko. Hello! Masyado! Ito ang sinasabi ko guys, na ang ganda ng view. Ito na yung uy! Windy siya. Ayan. Yan ang view. Just so top, yung sticking out. Nalala niyo guys, hanggang sa baba ko kanina. Ito na yung taas niya. Sa gilid. So, akit tayo dito. Ito yung nakapwinti kanina sa baba. Ito na yung pinatuktok niya guys. Grabe sa pagpwinti. It's really so scary. Yun yung top dito. Ayaw kong lumapit pa doon kasi ano siya. Nasa clips talaga siya. Very dangerous. Baka mamaya yung rocks ba. Yan. Tingnan nyo. Diba? Yan. O tingnan nyo. Ganun siya kaano guys. O. Super ganda. Tingnan natin yung ano. Parang may nakaritin doon na ano. 8. I don't know. Helicopter. Pero ito tingnan nyo. It's amazing, isn't it? This one. It looks like a maple. Yeah. So, baba tayo. Oh, grabe guys. Grabe, very sa very kasi ano siya, very dangerous siya yung clips very dangerous siya, very windy diba, ganda ng view. Saan ba kayo? Did you take some photos? Aha. Hindi maganda kasi may ano na guys, so may sun. Parang blurred siya. Yan. So baba tayo dito. Where is my stick? You want to go up there? Yeah.